Hello students, let's discuss revision worksheet number 3. 3 whole 3 upon 9 plus 7 whole 6 upon 11. Alright, first you will see your denominators and they are not like, so you're going to find out the LCM here. The LCM of 9 and 11, 3 threes are 9, 11, 3 ones are 3, 11 and then 11, ones are 11. So what do you think your LCM is? 3 threes are 9 and then 9 11s are 99. 99 is your LCM. So I'm just going to write it down here, 99, and since we have the addition sum here, so we're going to add up the whole numbers. 7 plus 3, 10. So 10 comes here. Now if you have 99 as your LCM, you're going to multiply 9 by 11 to get 99, and here 11 9s are 99, and then 9 comes up here. Addition sign is in the middle. 3 11s are 33, 6 9s are 54. So add up the two figures. 10 whole, 5 plus 3 is 8, 3 plus 4 is 7 upon 99. 87 upon 99. Now do you think you can reduce this 87 upon 99? The best trick is to just see the end numbers. If these two numbers can be simplified by 2 times table, you will be having even numbers here. So since we do not have even numbers here, we will move on to 3. 3 means you just add up the two figures. 8 plus 7 is giving you 15. 9 plus 9 is giving you 18. 15 and 18 both are in 3 times table. So we can easily reduce 87 upon 99 by 3. We can divide it by 3. 3 times 2 is giving us 6. We're going to be left with 2 here. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9. So the final answer will be 10 whole 29 upon 33 is going to be your answer. Moving ahead with the second question, 9 and 5. Let's give it a try with 2. 2 is not going to be divided by these two figures. Moving on to 3. 3 3s are 9. 5 comes down, 3 1s are 3, 5 comes down, and 5 1s are 5. 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. 45 is our LCM. 16 minus 10 is giving us 6. So if you have 45 as the LCM, 9 5s are 45, 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. 9 comes up here, so it gives you 18. Now here we have a smaller number to subtract with, so we're going to bring up the 45 here and add this up to 15. And when you bring the 45 up, the 6 becomes 5. It reduces by one figure, one number. So we have 5 whole, 45 plus 15 is giving us 60, minus 18 upon 45. What do you think the answer is? Your answer is 5 whole. I subtracted the two figures, I got 42 upon 45. So do you think 42 and 45 can be reduced? We have an odd number here, 5, and an even number. So odd and even cannot be reduced by 2 times table. So let's give it a try with the 3 times table then. Add up 4 plus 2 and 4 plus 5. 4 plus 2 is giving us 6. 4 plus 5 is giving us 9. 6 and 9 both are in your 3 times table. So 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. The final answer would be 5 whole, 14 upon 15 is going to be our answer. Moving ahead with the last question of this page. of this worksheet. We have the mixed numbers here, so we're going to bring them into the improper fraction. 12 ones are 12 plus 8 is giving us 20 upon 12, multiplied by 10 threes are 30 plus 2, 32 upon 10. Alright, now we're going to simplify the figures. 10 ones are 10 and 10 times 2 is 20. So what are we left with? 2 upon 12 multiplied by 32 upon 1. So we have 12 ones are 12 and 4 threes are 12. It's not 12 ones are 12. 4 threes are 12 and 4 eights are 32. So what do you get when you multiply the two figures? 8 to the 16 upon 3. Bring it to the mixed number. 3 5s are 15 and 1 16 is going to be our answer. Alright, now this time we have the figures without whole numbers. Okay, so 15 upon 12, wait just 2 minutes. 15 upon 12 multiplied by 24 upon 125. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. So I will get 15 upon 1 multiplied by 2 upon 125. Alright, let's try out 5 times table. Just a minute, this is fine, okay? It's not 15 upon 12, it's 5 upon 12. So 5 upon 12 multiplied by 24 upon 125. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. I'll bring the 5 upon 1 here and 2 upon 125. Okay, so do you think 125 is there in 5 times table? Yes. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 2 left, 5 5s are 25. So we have got 1 twos are 2 upon 125 is going to be our answer. Moving ahead with the second question. 4 upon 15. Change the sign, division sign into multiplication. 5 upon 11. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. 4 ones are 4, 3 11s are 33. 4 upon 33 is the answer. Alright, then moving to the third question of your, the last question. Alright, so it's 10 upon 6. Change the sign to multiplication, it becomes 12 upon 9. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. And I don't think this can further be divided. Am I right? So 10 twos are 20 upon 9. 20 upon 9 means 9 ones are 9 plus this. Divide it and you get the answer. Okay, I'm doing it in a very hurry. Why? Because I have to finish this video. I have to make it a bit shorter video so that it's easier for you guys to complete your correction now. Okay, moving ahead with the second question. We have order of operation here, and we all know that order of operation requires the rule to be followed: DMAS, divide, multiply and subtract. I have this question: 81 divided by 9 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 division signs. So I will go in an order. I will just underline this. 81 divided by 9 gives us 9, multiply 7, divide by 7. Copy this. Okay, and then again we're going to divide first. So 9 multiplied by 7 divided by 7 gives us 1. So 9 ones are 9. This is going to be our answer. Now moving ahead to the last question of order of operation. Let's solve this part. 56 multiplied by 250 divided by 25 gives us 10, minus 6 plus 16. Then move on to the multiplication. 56 multiplied by 10, 560, minus 6 plus 16. Since I have an addition sign in front of this number, I will add up the two figures. 560 plus 16 is giving me 576 minus 6, which gives me 570 as the answer. Alright children, if you have any corrections, you can just start checking for the corrections. Do your corrections right away. Alright, then we have the question is 12 ratio 48 ratio 60. Now you can connect the first one with the first. The second one is 48, which is empty, and 60 is going to be connected with the last. Okay, we go in an order. So of course 12 ones are 12 ratio, 12 fours are 48 ratio, 12 fives are 60. So the connection that you see here, 1 and 5 are as it is, and what do you get here? 4. Then we have another figure here, 14 ratio 20. So how do you get 56? 56 is actually connected with 14. So 14 can be multiplied by 4. It will give you 56, and the same 4 goes here, and 24s are 80 is going to be our answer. Let's move on to percentage. What do we do in percentage? Just multiply 15 upon 300. When you are asked to find out percentage, multiply it by 100. Cut off the zeros, cut off the zeros. 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. So answer would be 5%. Alright, moving ahead with the second question. 255 upon 500. Multiply it by 100. Cut off the 2 zeros. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25, 5 ones are 5. So 51% is the answer. How do you get the answer for the question E? 0.09. Okay, 09 means 9 upon 100. 9 upon 100 means 9%. Alright, moving ahead with the last two questions of this sheet. Here we are. So 56 divided by 7,000. Split the 7,000 like this and divide 56 by 7. 7 8s are 56, so simple. So 8 divided by 1000. Always remember, when there is no decimal point, then decimal point is understood in front of the whole number. So we will take a point here. I'll just make a point here, and we're going to shift the decimal points. How many places back? 3 zeros are there. 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So the decimal point comes here. So 2 dashes are here. 0.008 is the answer. There's no whole number. Put a 0 there. Moving ahead. Now with the second question. 48 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1000. 48 twos is going to give us what? 96 multiplied by 1000. 96 thousands are 96,000. It's going to be our answer. Alright, find the area of each triangle. What do you do when you write down the formula? I mean, finding out the area of a triangle. Everybody knows area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. It means 1 upon 2 base is wait, let me do the working here. 1 upon 2 multiplied by the base and height. So since none of these numbers can be simplified, so 11 13s are 13 ones are 13, 13 ones are 13 and 1 14, 143 upon 2. So 143 upon 2 means divide 143 by 2, 2 sevens are 14. Bring this 3 down, 2 ones are 2. 1 point and add up a 0 to 5 are 10. So the answer is 71.5 centimeter square is our answer. Let's move on to the next part. Area of triangle is half into base into height. And what do you get here? 1 upon 2 multiplied by 33 multiplied by 11. So what do you get when you multiply them? Again, we cannot simplify these figures with 2. So 11 3s are 33, 11 3s are 33, 34, 35, 36. 363 upon 2. So how do we divide 363 by 2? 2 ones are 2, 1 left, 2 8s are 16, nothing, and then 36, sorry, 3 has to come here, 2 ones are 2, 1 left, point, add up a 0, and 2 5s are 10. So answer would be 181.5 meters square. This is our answer. Okay. Moving ahead with the word problem now. It says a bookseller bought 1500 books. He sold 40% of the books over the weekend. How many books did he sell over the weekend? How many books? 40%. And how many books were not sold? 60%. Because we all know 100% means 100. So 100%, out of 100%, 40% books were sold. They are giving us the percentage that is sold, and they are asking us how much is sold. It is very simple. When you see this question, 40 upon 100% means out of every 100 multiplied by 1500. Cut off the 2 zeros, cut off the 2 zeros. 15 zeros are 0 and 15 fours are 15 fours are 4 5s are 20, 4 and 2 6, so 60. So what's the answer? How many books did he sell over the weekend? He sold 600 books over the weekend. Children, you will not write answer statements, you will not get the marks. Each and every step, I keep telling you, marks are given in each and every step. Working answer statement is so important today. So children, I'm doing this work in a hurry because I have to just make this video as short as possible. Okay, I don't want to waste your time and your energy. It's just, this video is for you to only do the correction, do the marking, and see if you are done right or wrong. Okay, so let's move ahead with the next word problem. Alright, now the next problem. Ali and Fatima share the candies in the ratio of 7:6. If Ali receives 35 candies, how much do they have altogether? Very simple question, children. So let's have Ali first. Ali's name is written first, ratio Fatima's name next. Okay, so 7 comes first, 6 under Fatima. 7 ratio 6. Now how much? If Ali receives 35, Ali is receiving 35. So how much do you think will Fatima receive? 7, what's the 35? 7 5s are. So same goes here, 5s are. 6 5s are 30. Fatima will receive 30 candies. So if, how much will they use altogether? Add this up, 65. How much do they have altogether? They have 35 candies altogether. Now, last question. Simple. This is the simplest question ever I have given you. Okay. So, Jane wants to layer her dollhouse pillows in blue and green fabric. She uses 1/9 of blue fabric and 4/9 of green fabric. How many more yards of green fabric does Jane use than blue fabric? It means Jane, let's write the green fabric first. How much is the green fabric? 4/9. And how much is the blue fabric? Blue fabric is 1/9. So it means it's the difference they need to know. So when you're asked to find out the difference, what do? We will simply subtract the two. Since we have the same denominators, we need not to find out the LCM here. 4 minus 1 is giving us 3/9. So how many more yards of green fabric does Jane use than blue fabric? She used 3/9 of the blue fabric. It means, do you think can it be simplified further? Yes. 3 1s are 3 and 2 3s are 9. So how many more yards of green fabric does Jane use than blue fabric? Jane used 1/3 of green fabric more than blue. Alright children, now I'm ending up my video, and bye for now. Have a good day.